So now that I have connected my device to my wallet, now what I did was I just connected a wallet that I already had. I had a couple of very, very rugged NFTs, but you can still view them now. I have an NFT on the Ethereum chain and also on the Matic chain as well. So you will be able to see all of them on my wallet. So and I click on my favorites, you can see there is nothing there currently. So what I'll do is I'll just come and click each NFT from my device and add it to my favorites. Now, the only issue is once I add it, it doesn't automatically show just yet. It is still empty. So what I'll have to do is I'll now have to click on download favorites, download to Nifty, wait for it to download. And once it's done and I click on my favorites, I will be able to see the NFT here. So as you can see, this is Ethereum ERC721. So that is how I'd have to add the NFTs to see them on my hardware wallet. Now, don't get me wrong, every NFT is still stored on my hardware wallet because everything I have that I can see here on my device is in fact already on my hardware wallet. But this is just so I can see my favorites. So I could add another one, I could add multiple NFTs and get to see every single one of them on my hardware wallet. So once I click, I add, I click, I add. Now, like I said earlier on, if I click here, you won't see them here, but I'll just add all of them real quick. And once I'm done adding them to my favorites and I click download favorites and download to Nifty, it should begin to appear. So one by one it's showing. So as you can see, it's loading one by one and appearing on my wallet. So now this is because you might not want to display all your NFTs. So I think it's a good feature. You might not want to display all your NFTs because maybe some are not, you're not proud of some NFTs that you're holding. I mean, look at all of these. What are these? So you just want to add some to your favorites that will display on your hardware wallet and you just show them off. So once I click on them, I can see this is on the Polygon chain, ERC1155, and I can just look at all the different NFTs directly on here. Now, if I want to receive anything, I could just click receive, maybe Ethereum, and scan the wallet. Now, as I mentioned earlier on, this wallet also stores your cryptocurrencies as well, not just your NFTs. The only problem is in this recent update, I can't see my cryptocurrencies on the hardware wallet, which, I mean, the aim of the hardware wallet is the world's first hardware NFT wallet. So I think it serves that purpose. But if I want to see my cryptocurrencies I'm currently holding, I just come over to the app, come over here, and as you can see, I have a very robust wallet with $0.82. That must be a whole lot of money. So that's what I'm currently holding in Ethereum, and then there's the Binance Smart Chain, and then Polygon, and then the rest, which there's nothing in that category at the moment. So I can store some crypto here, also store NFTs here, and have my NFTs displayed on my hardware wallet. So I think that's about it. So in another video, I would compare and look into more features that this one has with, you know, the regular hardware wallets, and try and find out whether or not this is actually very significant or you need to have one of these. But I think why this will play a very major role is most of us that store NFTs or have NFTs are not able to boast or brag about our NFTs because they're all on our mobile device, and basically I think the highest thing you can use it for is for a profile picture or send it to a friend. But with this, it helps you to actually show someone your NFTs. I really wish you could show in the full screen, but that is not happening here. But I feel like it's a new development, so in future updates I expect way more, but this is good. This is good so far. Like I said earlier on, if you would like to order one of these, you can just click the link in the description below, and using that link you get a 15% discount. So on the website it's currently $200, so with that you get 15% off and you're able to order it directly to any location whatsoever. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a fantastic day.